So you can hear me, you can't see me, Sanjeev, because you are taking the center stage right now with Ladybug to talk about the importance and the love that we receive from the animal.
Yes.
You've experienced and seen with me how my energy has got more calm.
Yeah.
Just my vibration has increased.
Right.
Now, you've seen Ladybug today while we've been here in your place. You practice mindfulness all the time.
Right.
I'm a mindful being too.
Yeah.
So our energy that we are emanating is all around Ladybug.
Yep.
Now explain how she has been today. And how does this affect other people's lives, and what does it bring to other people's homes? If you practice the mindfulness, what it will give to the dog.
Let us talk about practice mindfulness with dog, Yes, I agree with you. Like, it emits a very powerful energy, frequency, and that's what we share, our love, forgiveness, kindness with him. And in return, she also brings love, forgiveness, kindness, And the best thing, what I have noticed with the dog, with my dog, you can see, guys, here is my dog, and learned something from him. How does he live from moment to moment, So why can't we celebrate with the present moment awareness as soon as we connect with the energy and the frequency of the dog, And you can see he's lying down. How celebrating this present moment awareness is, she's just lying down on my, on me, So another part of learning the art of present moment awareness from the dog, the more you share, the more you give love to him, the more they will return back, million times more than what you give. So that's the important practice of mindfulness. Whomsoever you are connected with the human being, try to share love from the deepest core of your heart, in the terms of sharing of love, frequency, energy, vibration, and you will get millions times bigger than what you share. And that's what we learned from the dog, Another practice, as I said, learning from the moment to moment from the dog, and it has transformed, I know, you are asking one question, it has transformed her life too. Before, she was in anger, she was in pain, she has some kind of relationship problem, and she was living into the thought of fear, anger, negativity, darkness. And as soon as she bought this dog, everything has changed, everything has changed. Her energy, her frequency, her, her emotions, she's much more connected with the positive thought emotion right now. So whenever I meet with her, I feel very relaxed, I feel very connected, I feel very happy, I feel very living in the present moment awareness, or I can say it is a celebration of present moment awareness. Yeah.
And she's quite happy, Sanjeev, with you.
Yeah, she's very happy with me.
She's connected with your energy.
Yep.
Now tell me, lots of cultures sometimes have a lot of fear around the animal.
Yes.
So you were not raised with dogs.
Yes.
What have you learnt from spending time with me and spending time with Ladybug? What has it helped you to shift your fear? Like being around a dog and being around nice energy? What can you say about this?
You are totally right. I am not raised with the dogs, but right now when the dog connected with me, you can see what a beautiful energy I am receiving, So it transcends my ego, first thing. It transcends my anger. It transcends more negative thought, emotion, energy as soon as I connect with him, and it brings more happiness, joy into my life. So that's what it has transformed my life too.
And then you give this love to other people because you share the pictures, you share the videos, and again you talk about sharing love, kindness, compassion.
Yes.
So you share now Ladybug with these people, and in return they give you more love, kindness, compassion because they see you happy.
Yes, and that's what the sharing and giving is important, because I'm sharing, you are right, I'm sharing videos, photos with other person, and they are very happy to see this kind of the dog with me, and sharing and giving is the reciprocation, and therefore the energy frequency go to the universe, and it brings, much more bigger and the greater form.
She's a magnetic force.
Yeah, yes.
A hidden magnetic force. She doesn't even realize what she's doing.
Yeah, and not only that, it as I said, it emit very powerful energy, frequency. You can see calm energy, relaxed energy. Where even if you are in pain, even if you are in anger, even if you are living in chaos or doubtful situation, just connect with them. It will dissolve all kinds of the useless and unwanted thought. Because you are totally living from moment to moment with the dog.
You can lay with her for just 5 minutes.
Yes,
this is the practice of mindful meditation.
Yes.
You can use the animal to evoke this in you.
Yes. Yeah.